Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech again. Today I'm going to show you how to check your laptop battery health. If you are trying to purchase a used laptop, I'm going to show you how you can easily know the battery health. You know, the lower the battery health, which means the lower the battery capacity. That gives you an insight to how strong the battery is. So before we go into it, don't forget to leave a thumbs up. If you are new to this channel, click on the subscribe button and don't forget to make sure you leave the notification bell on so that when we upload any video that is going to be of use to you, you'll be notified as soon as possible. So stay with me while I go on my laptop. The first thing you are going to do is to open the CMD on your laptop, also known as command prompt. After you open that, you then type this as seen on my screen, power CFG / battery report, then you type on enter. So it's supposed to bring a directory which you would copy, just like what I'm doing. You copy it. When you copy it, then you proceed to your file here. Then you open it and you paste it here. Then you click on enter. So now you have your battery report. It automatically open on your browser. You can see now that this is the battery report. This is the details of the laptop. Now, manufactured, look at the details. The design capacity of this battery is 39,700 milliwatts. Fully charged capacity right now is 32,000. You know, I've probably dropped by 7,000 plus. Now, the cycle count, how many times I've charged this laptop is 625, and I've been using it for over 3 years now. So this is what you are going to do. You are going to pick this value. You are going to divide this, the current full charge capacity, by this value. So by my distance, let me open my calculator. What we are doing right now is 32,040 divided by 39 700 equals to, so we multiply it by 100 to give us the battery capacity. So for my own laptop, the current battery capacity is 80%. What does that tell you? It tells you this battery's laptop capacity is still very fine and it's still within range. So the laptop battery capacity is very good. So if you are going to buy any used laptop anywhere, you can easily do this. Don't forget, you go to command prompt, you open the command prompt, you open the CMD, which is command prompt, then you type in power CFG / battery report, then enter, then you copy the directory and post it in your file tab. Then you click on enter, then the report will be generated. This will tell you that, this will show you the condition of the laptop's battery you are trying to buy. Thank you for watching to the end. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up and share this with your friends and family. See you in the next one. Bye bye.